The Alphacool Core 1 Aurora CPU block delivers excellent cooling performance for modern high-wattage processors thanks to its industrial-style three-dimensional jet plate design. Its fully metal construction with a nickel-plated copper cold plate and solid brass housing feels extremely robust and helps with long-term durability. The revised mounting hardware uses fewer parts and makes installation on Intel LGA 1700 and AMD AM4 or AM5 sockets straightforward even in tight cases. Integrated addressable RGB lighting with 18 individual light-emitting diodes provides smooth, even illumination that looks clean through a side window without overwhelming the rest of the build. The compact square footprint and rounded edges make tube routing easier while giving the block a minimalist look that suits both all-white and mixed-color themed systems. Standard G 1/4-inch threads and well-placed ports make it simple to integrate this block into custom loops using common fittings and tubing sizes.